Welcome to episode number 5 of the I Was Challenged series. This month I was challenged by Kendra at Consume the Goodness to make a chocolate chip peanut butter mug cake. I used to make lots of mug cakes in the past, so I was happy to give this one a try, and it turned out amazing. Pretty simple ingredients, really quick to make, so let's get started. So for this recipe, obviously we need a mug, and I chose my favorite one, of course. Need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder here, and then we've got 1 tablespoon of sugar-free chocolate chips. Now you can add more or less depending on your taste. And then I've got a tablespoon of this brown sugar swerve sweetener. And then we'll need 1 large egg. And then we're going to need 3 tablespoons of smooth natural peanut butter. I like this Kraft, only peanuts. So we've got the 3 tablespoons of peanut butter here. We're going to pop it in the microwave for 20 seconds just to warm it up a bit. We're going to add our sweetener in. Then we're going to add our baking powder in there, and we're going to mix it up well. Hopefully everyone's enjoying this I Was Challenged series. It's a lot of fun to make. This is our 5th episode. Make sure you go check out the previous 4 episodes. Lots of great recipe videos in this series. And it's a lot of fun, just getting out of your comfort zone and doing different recipes from different creators. So that first part's all mixed up. So now we're going to add our large egg into the mix. And we'll get all that well mixed in. Be a good time to hit the like button and subscribe if you're enjoying this content. We do really appreciate you being here. And make sure to check out Kendra's video for this month's episode of the I Was Challenged series. She'll be coming up right after mine. So we'll get that egg all mixed in there. I find it works pretty good with a small spatula, but you can just use a spoon as well. In fact, I will switch to a spoon here shortly. So now we're gonna mix in the chocolate chips. As you can see, I have switched to a spoon. Just get them mixed in there. You don't have to get too crazy with these. You just want them distributed throughout the mixture. So that's what it's like, ready to go. So put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. It will puff up quite a bit. Here it is, all done. As you can see, it's nice and cooked there. It stays about that size in the mug. It smells really good. Like I say, I used to make these all the time, so I was happy to give this a try again. So you can eat it straight out of the mug, or you can turn it out onto a plate if you want. I wanted to put it out on a plate so you could see what they're like when they're cooked. As you can see, nice dense cake basically. They turned out really good. Lots of good chocolate chip flavors throughout. So we'll give this a quick try, and then right after this I thought, what would really be good on this is some nice butter. So I gave that a try. It's nice and warm, really good. And then I cut it up into thirds and added some butter, and it was much better way to have it. So hope you enjoyed it. Keep on thriving, my friends.